Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am sharing the top 10 expert ChatGPT prompts you absolutely need in 2025, whether you are crushing it at work, building a side hustle, or just making your life smoother. Each prompt is copy paste ready and will save you hours of time. So let's go. So the first prompt is we want us to write your weekly plan about your work plus your life. So remember, I am using ChatGPT 4o. The model that I'm using is the one that you need to subscribe for. So this is the prompt: create a weekly productivity plan that balances remote work, gym 3 times a week, cooking dinner at home, and 2 hours for side hustle daily. Include reminders. Make sure you give your ChatGPT all the information so that when it comes up with your weekly plan, you can use it or know it very well. So it will go ahead and create for us a very nice plan. As you can see, it has given us the days from Monday to Friday. It has also given us time, specific time for a certain activity, and also a reminder. So you can go ahead and check out your plans here. You can also copy your table and transfer your data into Excel and convert it into a table so that you can store it there. You can also have Saturday plans. Those are weekend plans on 8 to around 9, sleep in the morning, routine, let your body rest and all that. You can copy that. Then you also have the Sunday, just so you don't have to hustle for this. You don't have to overthink, just prompt with ChatGPT. The second one that we always encounter is the cold emails that work. So let's say for example, you are a freelancer or a job seeker and you want to ask or have a cold email. So what you do is write a professional cold email to pitch web design services to a small law firm. So include personalization and a clear CTA. So you can look at this. So you go ahead and press enter. Then ChatGPT will do that for you very easily. As you can see, it's generating the best emails here, helping. You can put them in the name of the firm. You can also specify the name of the people who are the first name. Let's say, for example, the person you're writing to, then you include it there so that all the details that are needed to make sure that now you can just go ahead and copy and paste this email into you and then send your email. The next prompt is write my resume bullet points. So it can also develop your resume where you just go ahead and put the or put the the prompt there. So turn the following work experience into 3 ATS optimized resume bullet points for marketing analyst job. So you can go ahead and also upload your resume there to make sure that it can read your resume and understand it, so that when it comes up, you can see it's requesting you to paste the specific work experience you would like me to turn into resume bullet points for marketing analyst role. Then make sure you upload your resume there. Then the other thing that you need to understand in 2025 so that you make sure your ChatGPT is working for you efficiently is turn my idea into a side hustle. So let's say, for example, you have different ideas and you want to make sure that it generates money for you. So give me a step-by-step side hustle plan to monetize my love for photograph using Instagram and online print sales. So once you click on that, it goes ahead and generates for you the ideas, and you don't need to think much to just pick up a niche you enjoy most, like for example the street, the portraits, the wildlife, the minimalisms and all that. So you can go ahead and check on that. The fifth one is create a week of social media posts. So you can use this prompt to make sure that you do not struggle with your weekly posts on Instagram. So create a 7 Instagram caption for a fitness coach launching a new online program, include emojis, hooks, and CTAs. Look at that, it's very simple. Just created that for you. The sixth thing is summarize a report or research in seconds. So if you're a student and you want your work easily summarized so that you can avoid reading so much text, just go ahead and summarize this 12-page PDF into 5 key points for a presentation. Let's say, for example, you have a very long book and you don't want to read on that. You can use this prompt to save you a lot of time. Then the next one is help me another which is number 7. The other prompt that is very key that you need to understand is help me speak like a pro. Most of the time you find out that you might have a great idea, but you don't know how to project your voice or talk about your ideas. So you can request it to rewrite this paragraph to sound more confident and persuasive in a business. So make sure you upload your text. If it's not there, you can just tell it to recreate it from scratch, then you get it. So it will go ahead and request you to upload the text that you want to use, but make sure you save this prompt. This prompt will save you a lot of time. The other one that is you need to understand is budget like a boss. Budget like a boss. So I give you the prompt. Here is the prompt. Create a monthly budget plan based on this amount, include rent, food, transport, and that saving goal. It will go ahead and create for you that. Very simple. Now, second last prompt that you also need to understand or have at your fingertips in 2025 to make sure that you're working with your AI or ChatGPT 4 or model is this explain blockchain. So here you have to learn any topics faster. Use the AI tweeters. AI tweeters is the best. It makes your work easier, and at the same time, it helps you save a lot of time and content to make sure that you are working expeditiously with your content. So here you have this prompt that you can use. Explain blockchain like I am a 12 year child, so it's going to break down those complex English words into simpler language that you can clearly integrate and understand it. So then explain it like I'm a college student, then give me a real world example. That's the very best prompt that you need to have at your fingertip if you want to make sure that you are using your ChatGPT like a pro. So look at this, it's given you like a 12-year-old, then it goes ahead like a college student, then all that going down explaining to you so that you can make it easy. Then the last prompt that I want you to be to know and work as a pro is fix my messy writing. So every time maybe you don't know how to write your English, you're bad at English and you don't know a lot of grammar, and you want to make sure that you are projecting your ideas in a good way. People who read your work will understand it. You can also prompt your ChatGPT like that. After you've written your paragraph or a book, you can tell it to paraphrase it, refine it, so to make sure that people that are going to come across your content, it looks more kind of attractive. So these prompts are simple but powerful, whether you are managing a team, building a brand, or just trying to stay sane in 2025. ChatGPT can be your digital copilot. So which prompts are you trying first? Drop a comment, and if you want a free downloadable prompt library, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and productivity hacks. Catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay ahead.